Hi there and welcome to Position 1 Power Equipment. My name is Adrian and today we're going to be looking at this P6220C petrol chainsaw. Now I have seen or heard of problems with the throttle on these machines. It can over time, and if it's dropped suddenly, can become disconnected, the throttle lever from the carburetor. Now it's a very simple job to fix and I shall show you the symptoms first. So this would be a perfectly good working throttle. With a lock on the top, you can't pull the throttle, you push the lock and the throttle will pull. And as you can see, it comes down so far. When it's become disconnected, it will drop down even further, and I shall show you that. So you can see a throttle that's become completely disconnected. There's a gap here at the back of the throttle and it feels all clunky and notchy. And it's dropped much further forward. That would be the normal sort of position, and it's dropped forward to there. That tells me that the throttle actuating bar has come unattached from the trigger. So to repair this, we're going to need to firstly remove these two screws that are underneath the chainsaw, and they hold on this orange plastic outer cover. So we'll just remove the two screws and then we'll go back to the top. Okay, we'll keep those safely to one side. So having undone the two screws on the underneath, there's a little pin here which I just give a little push to. As you can see, the end of the pin is now poking out this side, and I can just grab it with the pliers and pull that pin out. That now allows me to remove the top plastic cover completely. That gives me access to the throttle. I'll see if I can give you a picture of this. So there's a bar here which actuates the throttle, push and pulls to actuate the throttle, and the trigger lever here has a hole through it. Now that bar is supposed to be through the hole. It's quite simple. If I grab the throttle lever, rotate it clockwise slightly, and I can push it back in the hole. That's now working correctly. So I want to push this top lever down. There's a little spring here which you have to make sure goes inside the handle as you push it down. So that's that. And then back on with the orange cover. We'll just check that throttle actuation again. That's fine. That's good. Back in with the pin that we removed earlier. I can push it in so far. I'm just using, here we are at the end of the pliers, push it back in position. That's good. Then I'll flip it over. Just locate the underside of the handle and put the two screws back in again. That's the one. That's the other one.
There you are.
Okay. There you are. That's the throttle back in full working order. The choke works, switches on and off with the throttle. That's great. So there we are. The only tools I needed for this job: a crosshead screwdriver, a long nose pliers, and a small jeweler's type screwdriver. And here we are. That's the throttle repaired. I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.p1pe.co.uk. I've been Adrian and thank you for watching.